Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use template video in Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to the Reels tab. Look for the camera icon at the top right and tap it. This will open the Reels creation interface. Here, you'll find the Templates option, which is your gateway to a world of pre-made video structures. Select this to begin exploring the available designs. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll see a diverse collection of options. Scroll through to find one that suits your creative vision. Each template displays a preview, showing how many clips it uses and their durations. Tap on a template to get a closer look and decide if it's the right fit for your content. Consider the number of clips and overall flow before making your selection. After selecting a template, Instagram will prompt you to add your media. Tap on each placeholder to select photos or videos from your gallery. The app automatically adjusts your clips to fit the template's timing, but you can fine-tune them if needed. Feel free to add your own music, text overlays, and creative effects to make the reel uniquely yours. This step is where your personal touch truly shines. With your template reel complete, take a moment to review it and ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, tap Next to proceed to the sharing screen. Here, you can write an engaging caption, add relevant hashtags to increase discoverability, and tag friends or collaborators. You can also choose to share it to your story or feed. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, tap Share to publish your creation to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.